Let's be real, if your foundation looks cakey, patchy, or straight up gray, it's not just you. And it's not your skin's fault. Most beginners mess this up, and nobody tells you how to fix it without buying more stuff. So here's the truth. Mistake 1, skipping skin prep. Dry patches? That's old skin trying to ruin your blend. Use a basic moisturizer and give it a minute to soak in. Mistake 2, too much product. You don't need full coverage war paint. Dot it where you need it, and blend out with fingers, sponge, or brush, not all three at once. Mistake 3, wrong undertone. If your face looks gray, your foundation might be too cool or too light. Test in natural light, your jawline never lies. The fix? Prep your skin, use less product, and match your tone. It's not about spending more, it's about understanding your face. If this helped, tap like, hit subscribe, and get ready to feel good in your own skin again.